Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This morning I'll be showing us how to make keto drinking gari. Now, for those of us who are Nigerian or from any part of Africa who indulge themselves in this wonderful snack, well, it can be a snack, for some people it could be a meal, but this is how I'll be showing you how to make the keto version of this popular Nigerian food. Now, don't mind my voice, I'm just recovering from a cold, so if it sounds a bit grotty, just bear with me, please. So here with me, I've got cucumber. I've just basically washed and peeled the skin. I'm going to be dicing that and putting it in my blender. I've got the favorite element of this food or meal or snack. It's the peanuts or granite. And here I've got powdered milk to go with that, and of course my blender. Right, so these are all the ingredients you need. Now, if you want to add a bit of sugar to this, feel free to do that. Keto sugar or any other sugar substitute that you have, honey, whatever. For me, I have mine without any of those, and it's absolutely tasty. This is just regular peak milk, the powdered version. Now, you don't need liquid milk for this because this is cucumber. You're not going to be adding any water to this, and you don't want it to be runny. You want it to have the consistency of gari as much as possible. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and dice that and put it in the blender and blend. So here is the cucumber, diced it, and I'm about to put this in the blender to blend. Now, if your blender is very strong and you wouldn't need water to blend this, just like this, put it straight on and blend. But if your blender is not very strong, now you have the option to add a little bit of water to give your blender something to grip on so it can blend. Or if you have ice cubes, now if you want to have this cold, which is usually the best way to have drinking soaking gari, you can put 1 or 2 cubes of ice cubes here and then use that to blend. So then it's going to come out cold. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend this. So here is the cucumber blended. I didn't have to put any water in mine. I just went straight ahead in my blender and blended that. So that is the blended product. That is my cucumber. And now what I'm going to go ahead and do is add in some peak milk or powdered milk. Okay, so you can add as much as you want. Give that a stir. Go ahead and add my peanuts. And there we have it. This is all cucumber. I didn't add any gari to this whatsoever. Everything you see there is cucumber and powdered milk. I'm going to add a bit more peanut to that. And give that a good stir. And voila! This is our cucumber keto gari. So here you have it. You are not missing anything at all on the keto diet. Absolutely nothing. You have your drinking gari if you want to drink gari. You have your keto eba if you want. You have your keto rice. Everything. So thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it. If you've got any comments, if you've got any questions, please feel free to leave that in the comment section below. And yeah, have a wonderful day while I enjoy my keto gari. I can't wait. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.